Otukur nosa. Nosa it worst. Nothing feel right, sooner of, your body shaky, and smell of food. Well, ne bien. Ta. For nosa but Milan sever, ter armanium remedita will get you back to full strength, Movignon. Working through good day. Coping with nosa through relaxation. Give your body what need. If you're feeling dizzy from your nosa, try not to move around too much, even when your stomach doit sommersault, unless vomiting imminent. The most important thing to do when fighting dizziness is to keep your head still. 1. Elevate up slowly after resting to prevent head spin. Alternatively, if you get head spin, you can work through it. Apply a cool, wet cloth to your forehead. 2. Al to get on treat nausea or make it pass more quickly, many people. Finta dampener rag quand est suffering significantly. Les back or tilt your head back so the cloth stay in place. On your forehead, en rewet it unnecessary. You can experiment with moving the cloth over for part of your body. Tous if you can furte alleviate your discomfort, try your neck and shoulder, your arm, or your stomach. Relax. Anxiety is known to make nausea worse, so try to stop obsessing about your sickness and interfering with your plan. 3. Make sure you get en nug sleep, and take naps to rest during the day. What you feel better or worse when you wake up, at least you on experienced nausea for time your sleep. 3. Breathing to try allied upset stomach. Te breath create a different rhythm pattern in the stomach. 4, 5. Fin à qui est place to see. Breathe in slowly through your nose, allowing your chest and lower belly to rise as you feel your lung. Let your abdomen expand fully. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth. Surround yourself with a pleasant aroma. 6. Study suggest inhaling the vapor from essential oil like peppermint. Gingeol can help nausea, butus fart reçu have been inconclusive. 7. Ove, many people do feel better. When surrounded by pleasant smell, wet from vaporized essential oil or a scented candle. Remove bad odor from your environment. Ask someone to take out the trash or clean the litter box, en avoid sitting in hot room. Get the air flowing by opening windows or directing a fan over your face or body. Distract yourself. Some team just taking a val quand getting some fresh air will help your body feel better. Soon you do it after ton set of nausea, it will be. 8. Ove, make sure not to distract yourself with activity. Ta will worsen the nausea. If anything make you feel worse, stop the activity immediately. Try to have some fun and forget about the nausea. Watch a movie or talk to a friend. Play a video game or listen to your favorite album. Bete out temps in. Accept ta you ma vomi, en actually look forward to the relief it ma provide. Getting worked up. Trying to avoid vomiting ma bevorce temps actually throwing up en getting it over it. Some people will purposely induce en vomiting to try to get the roaching done quickly en in a more convenient location. Using food and drink to ease nausea. Have a regular meal and snack. If you feel nausea, food may be the last thing you want to think about. Ove, it should be at the top of your list of cure. Away from skipping a meal and snack will only make you feel even sicker, so get over your temporary food aversion to get back on track. Yet a small meal through good day, or snack continue to keep your stomach from being upset. Avoid overeating, tug. And stop when you are full. Avoid spicy or greasy and processed food such as chips, fried food, donuts, pizza, etc. The type of food can make the nausea worse. 9. Follow the bradier. 10. Brass temps for banana, rice, applesauce, and toast. Tea blonde recommandé for People suffering from upset stomach or diarrhea because bland food are easy to digest and keep down. 11. Will it will. No cure nausea, it will shorten the duration of your symptom and prevent reaction from bad food choice. Tino à long terme diet. You should be able to slowly switch to a more regular diet in 24-48 hours. You can add the easy to digest, bland food, clear soup, cracker, etc., to diet. It is important to note that if you are actively vomiting, stick to drinking clear liquid only. The bradier. Recommended only after about 6 hours without vomiting. Use gingembre. Study show that about 1 gram, 0.04 oz, of gingembre can effectively reduce nausea. 12, take up to 1 gram of gingembre at time, up to 4 gram per day. If you are pregnant, ask your doctor before taking gingembre, the dosage for pregnancy range from 650 mg to 1 gram, but should never exceed 1 gram. There are many ways to work gingembre into your snack, to none of them provide a high dose. Nibble crystallized gingembre. Make gingembre to be steeping grated fresh gingembre in boiling water. Buy and drink gingembre. No everyone will respond to gingembre. A portion of the population will not get relief from use of gingembre, for none reason. There are some studies that show that it can effectively soothe nausea. Peppermint has been used for digestive problem. Sushire to burn and indigestion, and it may help stop spasm in the stomach lead to vomiting. Peppermint flavored. Candy sushament or tic tac should be eaten in moderation, a sugary sweet can make nausea worse. Sugar free. Peppermint gummy en option, bube careful, ching bring a low offer into the stomach and can cause bloating. Worsening the nausea sensation. If you're still on a liquid diet, peppermint tiagre a option. Drink en oog fluid. Drinking 8 glass of clear liquid every day important for overall health, but especially important when you're sick. If your nausea is accompanied by vomiting, take a special care to keep yourself hydrated. Sport drink can be helpful, when modified. Vomiting can drain your body of both liquid and electrolyte such potassium and sodium. Sport drink contain both of these, and forcément excellent choice for replenishing these. However, sport drink are actually far more concentrated and necessary for hydration, containing far more sugar than necessary and une helpful chemical such artificial coloral to market the drink rated and necessarily why. Actually best for you. However, it is easy to dilute the average sport drink. Cut sport drink be all for quarter with water. Or, for every portion of sport drink, have a portion of water. Timab helpful if a person is habits to burn. About drinking water, but sugary water is appealing. 13. Try a flash soda to ease your stomach. All to get in sugar, flash soda can be useful to a kissy stomach. To make a soda fla, puis in a tupperware like container, check, layout to air, sel, en check, until no more carbonation I. Let. Cola have been used as anti-nausea cure for a long time, even before use of it in soft drink. Gingembre containing real gingembre, liquids, a anti-nausea elixir. Stay away from harmful drink. All to drinking liquid important, there are some drink that will make your nausea worse. Alcohol, caffeine, and carbonated beverage, for example, are no useful for nausea treatment, attaquant furté. Irritate the stomach. 14. If your nausea is accompanied by diarrhea, avoid milk and hot dairy product until you've recovered. The lactose in dairy are to digest, and will worsen or prolong the diarrhea. 15. Taking medication to treat nausea. Seek relief with non-prescription drug. If you're sure that nausea a temporary cause and is a symptom. Underlying medical issue, you can take a variety of over-the-counter medication. Try to pinpoint cause of your nausea, weight upset stomach or motion sickness, before purchasing of the quantity drug. They are often targeted over specific type of nausea. For example, nausea from an upset stomach or gastroenteritis can be treated with Pepto-Bismol, Malox, or Milanta. Nausea from motion sickness, TUG, would be better treated with Dramamine. Sa doctor for prescription medication if necessary. Some medical procedure, like surgery or cancer treatment, can cause severe nausea that require prescription strong drug. Nausea can also be symptom of various medical conditions. Such a chronic kidney disease or peptic ulcer, says, there are many different classes of drugs that can be used to treat nausea, and a doctor will be able to match your cause to an appropriate medication. 17. For example, Zofran, ondansetron, is commonly used to offset the nausea from chemotherapy and radiation treatment. 18. Phenergan, promethazine, is prescribed for use after surgery and to treat motion sickness, and scopolamine is used to treat motion sickness alone. 19, 20. Domperidone, soldamothylium in tuc, is used to treat seriously upset stomach, and is sometimes used as part of treatment for Parkinson disease. 21. TAC all medication are directed. Read label on novet quantity medication closely for dosage instruction, en follow them carefully. Prescription medication also carry instruction on the packaging, but defer to your doctor. Instruction. Chemas slightly alter your dosage based on knowledge of your medical history. The powerful medication can have serious unwanted side effects if taken incorrectly. For example, azofran overdose might cause temporary blindness, hypotension and faintness, and severe constipation. 22,